Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tarek Talk series. So recently, Self-Driven have developed an integration with Microsoft Teams, and today we are going to hear about their app on Teams. Hi Sudan, could you share about your integration with Microsoft Teams?
Hi Ashwin, thank you for having me. As more organizations are adapting to remote working culture and MS Teams is a hub for Teams collaboration, we wanted to make the life of people working from home away from office simpler. How we do it is we put together all the tools that you need to collaborate with your team and your manager in one place. The result of that is better user experience and improved productivity.
So why do you decide to actually integrate with Teams?
MS Teams is a great collaboration tool. It has voice calls, video calls, file sharing, and now we want to make it even better by adding feedbacks, goals, and recognitions.
Cool, let's dive into your demos.
Right, this is our self-driven app in Microsoft Teams, and this is our chatbot.
Right, so what do the chatbot actually do?
Chatbot actually helps you to do self-onboarding and get self-help by yourself, and we also have predefined commands such as leaderboard points, quests, so you can interact with it. And apart from that, you can also ask any general questions, and then with the help of the knowledge base, it will help you to interactively reply you.
Right, okay. So I understood that you guys also implemented some knowledge base behind the scene as well for your chatbot. Could you share a bit more about what's behind the scene?
We are using Q&A Maker. It's a Azure Cognitive Services. So it gathers all the FAQs and then you would make an interactive conversation with the bot.
Right, so basically question and answers.
Yes.
Right, and how do you actually power the chatbot?
We are using Azure Bot Framework. It actually allows you to build bots through different channels, and MS Teams is one of the channels.
Great. So I see the chatbot, powered by Azure Bot Framework itself, but at the same time over here is that whenever I see the chatbot doesn't just reply you in words. The chatbot actually reply you in some of the pictures, there's buttons as well. Could I interact with those?
Yes, so these are the adaptive cards. We use adaptive cards to design rich contents to deliver with graphics and messages. We also have the buttons are the action buttons. So we use that for call to actions where you can navigate to different content specific to the notification that you have received.
So basically deep linking the content into a specific tabs or content that you have inside your application.
Yes, that's correct.
Yep, okay, that's great. So could you explain what you have over here in this page?
Right, so these are the challenges that you can give to your employees. It can be performance-based, learning-based, and it can be tailor-made to your team and your position. So if you're in a tech team, I can provide challenges that's related to technical, and if you're a salesperson, I can give you challenges related to sales, like if you should close 5 deals in a week, and depending on the challenges, you will get experience points and rewards points that you can use to compete in leaderboard and also redeem rewards.
Right, so basically I doesn't need to actually leave Microsoft Teams at all. So everything just happens between the personal tabs that I have.
Yes, correct. Everything happens within the teams. You're not even required to leave the application.
Okay, great. So that creates a very collaborative nature.
Yes, that's correct. That's exactly what we are trying to achieve.
So at the top over there, I see home, quest, goals, rewards. So I see a lot of shortcuts over there. Could you share with us how do you exactly do that in Microsoft Teams?
Yes, we achieve that by using App Studio. Under the Manifest Editor, you can create an app, and under capabilities, we have personal tabs. So you can add a tab. You can give your name, whether you want it to be quest, goals, and you can give it an entity ID. Using that entity ID is how we actually do the deep linking. And then you can also give a URL for that, whichever URL or web page that you want to be embedded inside the personal tab.
Okay, great. So App Studio basically allows you to actually edit, create the manifest file. And the manifest file is actually important for teams to actually understand the content of your application.
Yes, exactly.
Yep, okay, great. So we have seen personal tabs, we have seen chatbots. I understood Self-Driven also integrates into team channels as well. Could you share with us what do you do over there?
Yes, so in Self-Driven, we also have the capability to add leaderboard to your channel or your personal groups or within your team. So it's a fun way to compete with your team. When you add a tab to a channel, this is the configuration page that pops up.
Okay, so I see that you also basically get the details or the channel's names as well. How do you actually do that behind the scene?
So we use Teams SDK for that to get your channel ID and also the channel name. And behind the scenes, we use Graph API. Using the channel ID, we call the team members API for that channel, and we get the members inside the channel and populate the leaderboard.
Okay. So all this information that you have basically is restricted only to the channel's members only.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, great. So just wanted to understand also is that you have integrated so much into Microsoft Teams. What's your future roadmap looks like?
So we have plans to improve our efficiency and accuracy of the bot to make managers and employees' life easier. And we also have planned to heavily utilize message extension to give feedbacks, recognize and create goals inside chat and channel messages itself.
Thanks, Sudan, for sharing with us. So I hope you guys actually enjoyed our Tech Tarik talk today.